Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. In the first step, we need to go to search bar, type your services, and from the search results, click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to find out the Windows update. Just scroll down and here you will get it. Simply right click on it, select properties. We need to set startup type as automatic, then click on apply and then OK. You can click on restart the service. Once done, we need to close the window. Again, simply right click on the taskbar and select task manager. You can also open it from here. You just go to search bar and type your task manager and click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to click on run new task, then go to browse button. Now select this PC, open C drive. Now we need to open Windows folder, then find out system32 folder, open it. In the system32 folder we need to find out cmd.exe file. Here it is. Just select it and click on open. Now check this box, create this task with administrative privileges and click on OK. Once we are here, we need to close the background window and focus on the command prompt window. So this step is very important. Type the command gp update and hit enter. So this process will take a few seconds to complete and execute the command. So once done, we need to simply type exit and close the command prompt window. In the last method, open File Explorer, go to this PC, open C drive, open Windows folder, then we need to find out software distribution folder. Here it is. Open it and we need to select all these files and simply delete them all. Click on continue. So once done, close the window and simply restart your system and your problem will be solved for sure. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.